Hello my friends, some of you learned how to completely clear Google Chrome cache and cookies, but in this video I want to show you how to just clear cache and cookies of a website on Google Chrome browser. This is very easy, so subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Open Google Chrome browser, click on three dot icon, click on settings. From left menu, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Third-party cookies. Scroll down and click on See all sites, data and permissions. In this section, you can search sites that you want to clear their cache. For example, I search Telegram and I delete cookies related to. In this way, we have deleted the cookies of a website. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment. Have a good time my friends.